you, what were the challenges that you faced as a child when you had asthma?
When I had asthma, I have to prevent myself from doing, like now, I'm such an outgoing person. I'm into adventure, I'm into sports, and I do physical activities a lot. That's the thing that I didn't do before. I just have a consultation from my doctor. Tapos I have naman the guidance from my doctor. I have the maintenance.
Yung lifestyle mo nga, nag-gym ka nga, which also improved your...
Yes, kasi nag-open yung lungs. Having an asthma or being an asthmatic won't make you less person. Won't make you parang, I have asthma, hindi ako pwede gumawa niyan. So parang, dream big and parang, wag mo i-prevent yourself mo to do whatever you want because of that asthma. As long as you have your maintenance, you have the guidance of the doctor, you can do whatever you want.
I had asthma when I was 16 years old when I started showbiz. Kasi puyat, and I'm into dogs na that time. And super nag-trigger sa asthma ko is the fur ng dogs. And yung air sa taping, that's what triggered my asthma. And yun, after that, I keep on coughing, as in, cough na parang may lalabas na tao sa cough ko. Parang ilalim naman nun. So parang, baka yung aso lumabas sa akin. And then after that, I consulted a doctor ng cough. So parang, he said na I have mild asthma. So, may prescription na ng gamot and I had my nebulizer. So, I always bring it with me everywhere I go. Kahit na mabigat siya. Kasi syempre, mabigat yung nebulizer ko is malaki. May packet na ba? Now, meron ng rechargeable. I have it in my bag. Portable na. Ganito na lang siya kaliit. So, parang I need nebulizer. So, parang yun na siya. Before kasi it was big. Diba parang the first one yun. And then, nag-evolve na siya into much smaller na kasya na sa bag mo. So I always have it with me so that if I had an asthma attack, like recently I had an asthma attack dun sa dagat. Dun sa shooting namin ng teleserye, and it was late night na. So every day I do tapings from 24 hours, so every day kami nag-shoot. So parang siguro na-trigger yung asthma ko that time. And malayo yung parking, malayo yung car, and then I don't have my PA with me to give me my nebulizer, to give me my maintenance. So parang ang tagal. So umiyak talaga ako kasi yung breathing part. So umiyak na talaga ako, tapos ang tigas na ng hands ko, so wala nag-white flower na. So what they did, white flower, sabi ko, white flower, hindi white flower. And then the brown bag, hindi ako nag-hyperventilate, give me my nebulizer, give me. So after that, may isang staff sa taping, meron siyang pang puff, yeah, and then she gave me talaga joke to have an asthma kasi it really triggers everywhere you go. Parang the air lang, or like someone lang na may mas-smell ka na hindi pala. Ay, hindi ko kayo na someone lang na may hindi okay sa, yeah, the carpet, like, so hindi talaga joke to have an asthma. So parang you have to take it seriously. You have to bring it everywhere you go. Kasi, you don't know kung wala yung tao na yun who will give me yung puff, hindi ko alam saan ako ngayon. So, yun.
What excites you the most for the to be winners?
What excites me about this campaign, this search for winner against asthma, is their story. Their story is really a true story, a story of fulfillment, of success, of winning against asthma. Parang it's an inspiring story about parang conquering something. Diba? Parang
overcoming, no?
Yeah.
Parang it's almost like fear, diba?
Yeah,
overcome mo siya.
Yeah, yung asthma. So parang, I'm excited to know their story. Kung paano nila na-succeed, paano sila nabuhay with asthma.